Insulin and the medicines was getting me weak, making me weak every day. Yeah, I used to eat a lot, my sugar level used to go up, and I used to feel drained out.
So in today's video we're going to cover how he reverses diabetes in a matter of months. And
To be precise, 4 months.
Yeah, to be precise, 4 months.
Yet to be 4 months. Yeah.
So first things first, what was your main concern when you started this nutrition, and what were your blood reports, what were your blood sugar levels before 4 months?
I have tried a lot of diets in the past also, but I have not liked any of them, so I have not dieted also. My H1ABC was 12 before I started with this diet, because these insulin and the medicines was getting me weak, making me weak every day. And I have, at one point of time, there was a time when I consolidated myself to the home only, and I was not going out much. But yes, with the shadows in last 4 months, I have stopped taking all the insulin. I used to take 40 units a day. Now no insulin, no metformin, no Glucobay 50, no medicine, absolutely no medicine now in just 4 months.
And how much insulin, how many units of insulin were you taking before we started?
I was taking 14 units in the morning and 12 units in the night.
14 and 10 units in the night. That's almost 24. Now it's 0.
Now it's 0.
And you were also taking metformin?
No metformin. Nothing. I was taking Cetapin 500 in the morning and 500 in the evening after post-work.
Great. I remember when we first started, Sahib Bhai told me, every doctor I went to, every dietitian I went to, they tell me to stop eating meat.
Stop eating red meat. In fact, red meat or any kind of meat, or balance it out.
Have a balanced diet, have a mix of carbohydrates, fats, and less of meat.
Less of meat, because it will get your cholesterol level high, and your heart will become a heart. You will have heart attacks or whatnot.
Yes.
And I started, let me tell you guys, I started this diet going against everyone. Even my friends, my family, everyone. Only my brother supported and Shadow supported me. Otherwise, everyone was against this diet. And also the people told me that you will get heart attack, you will get kidney failure, you will get stones in your kidney. But I told them, use your brains. I'm not eating any shit. I'm not eating any crap. I'm stopping my sugar intake. I'm not taking any carbohydrates. I'm not eating roti. Though I love roti a lot. And biryani. But I love it, but health comes first. And what motivated me, in the next starting in 5 days time, I started realizing, okay, my health is improving. I'm feeling good. So that gave me a lot of confidence to go ahead with this diet.
Your energy levels increased.
My energy level increased, and I was, now I'm fearless. I don't have any fear going out. Otherwise, I used to think that my blood sugar will go down, I will faint.
You once had this experience?
I thrice had the experience, because I didn't have the experience. So I skipped my meals and my blood sugar gone down. I fainted in a mall. So then, the subconscious plays with you. When you take a lot of medicines, it tells you that you are, not well. You are, suffering with something. You're suffering with diabetes. Everything your mind tells you you're diabetic. But now, since I've stopped taking medicines, I'm not diabetic at all. I'm not diabetic. Yeah?
Yes,
and every time I went to a doctor, they always told me to take insulin or increase the medication. They never supported me to go to the dietitian.
Even if you did went to a dietitian, the first thing they would say is avoid red meat.
Yeah, avoid red meat. Yes.
And for people like us, avoiding red meat is like
like a hand. No avoiding red meat. And the best why I've gone into him is because of the meat only. I saw his post eating meat, and I love meat. So I said, yeah, this is the diet to go, and it really worked. Also, when a lot of people have discouraged me to take this diet, I've googled it, I researched myself. I saw all the top celebrities in the world who are doing this diet, like Megan Fox or Halle Berry. Halle Berry has been diabetic from last 30 years. and she's on this diet only.
Yeah. Even Kevin Peterson.
Kevin Peterson.
He eats steak and eggs for lunch and dinner.
Everything. And now I love steaks.
Yeah.
I love steaks from the very beginning, but I am loving it more now.
I remember when we started, आपका blood sugar, it was around, I think, around 250 post-prandial blood sugar, right?
Yeah, 250.
और अभी कितना आ रहा है आजकल?
See, morning is around 110 to 125. It's fasting 130 sometimes. After breakfast, 2 hours, it's about from 95 to 130.
Post-prandial.
Yeah. After lunch, it's about same 85 to 130, 140.
Around 130, 140.
Yeah.
So from
dinner
250,
always 150.
so from 250 to 130, 140 post-prandial
Yeah.
blood sugar. That's terrific.
And the best part is no medicines, no insulin.
Yes.
I don't have to inject myself every morning and evening. And psychologically I feel free now.
And you had this, ये झंझट था हर जगह इंसुलिन कैरी करने का. You told me once you were in Europe and you had to carry.
I forgot to carry my insulin, and once I was in Europe traveling Italy for a month, I forgot to take insulin, and it was so hard to find the insulin. What you get in India and what you get in Italy is different, and you can't ship it also. It's so difficult. And same happened with me in Dubai when I was traveling to Dubai. It got finished. I couldn't get it. Then I have to buy some other insulin. It didn't work. My sugar was coming 300, 350. I was so nervous. And whenever your sugar is high, your mind is high, Spin starts spinning. So you don't feel what you are.
You don't feel that thing anymore.
Yeah. And I'm being a professional athlete, I'm playing for the country for the last couple of years. Now I wanted to make it to the Asian Games team. So I was really worried because, this diabetes, it eats up all your energy. And shooting requires a lot of...
Despite eating a lot of food, you still feel drained.
Yeah, I used to eat a lot. My sugar level used to go up. And I used to feel drained out. By 4:30, I was like totally drained out.
It happens.
Yeah.
I have been on a meat-based diet since 2 or 3 years, and my blood reports are absolutely normal. I can post my blood reports on the website, and same is the case with Saif Bhai. He is on this diet for 4 months, and every 4 to 5 months we get blood reports done to see what exactly is happening in the body, because results speak louder than doctors, louder than associations, louder than any dietitian, louder than any association.
Yeah, any association. You have to be confident on your coach. Really, I feel confident. I trusted you. You should trust. Then you see, the whole world was against me, but I was trusting my coach.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks to you, because of you I'm free. I feel so energetic now, I feel so good now, Otherwise I always had a fear in the subconscious.
And I'm really hoping a big jump in your game also, because since you're on right nutrition, you should be performing better than you were performing last year.
Yeah.
You should be. I'm counting on you. Don't disappoint me.
And also with this nutrition, I'll stop using any face cream or hair oils and everything.
Also your hair, you told me that.
Yeah, the hair was going now, the hairs have started coming up. I was getting bald from here. Yeah. Because of this medicine.
I remember when we first spoke, your face looks younger now, belly has grown from...
Yeah, belly has gone down, and I'm thinking for the 6 packs now soon with you.
Yeah, and you're growing some muscles also.
Yeah, I've put on no muscles. Although I have lost weight. Earlier I was used to be so scared that, if I work out more, I'll lose weight. But I don't want to be underweight.
So we lost weight but gained muscle. We lost fat and gained muscle.
And we're losing fat by eating fat. That's also the thing.
That's a good statement. Yeah. Eat fat to lose fat.
Lose fat.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep grass. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.